What's up guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Jordan and today is the third episode of the exterior transformation of the DATSUN 280Z. Today we're doing something a little bit exciting because I'm going to be putting a new front valence in the front of the car, and it's a little bit of a unique one. I haven't seen a lot of cars using this front valence, and I'm also going to do some minor things to clean up the front end. So if you want to see that new front valence and also what I'm going to do to clean it up a little bit, stick around. First impressions, I think it looks pretty good. It's a bit dusty, but you know, it's fine. It's got some gel coat on it, which means that it'll prep really good for paint. It's kind of different from the Type 1 air dam that a lot of people run because it has these bulges here that are going to take place of where the 240Z blinkers usually are. So I like this because it was a little bit of shape, and I also like the outer edge because it has a lot of definition. So I didn't want the front to look like it just dropped off in the front. I like that it came out a little bit and gave a little bit of depth here. First impressions, I'm pretty happy. I think it looks pretty good. Of course, it's gonna need some work. All right, let's put it up on the car. As you can see, the front lip looks really, really cool. I like that it gets rid of the blinkers, but it's smooth, but it also gives a little bit of a dimension and bulge to the bottom sides of the bumper. And it also has a lip that kind of comes out a little bit. And I'm excited about the way it looks. I know the fitment's not gonna be perfect and I'm gonna have to do some body work on it, but I got it from this website called Showcars Body Kits or something like that. And it's basically this guy who's been collecting old vintage molds for these things for the Datsun for a long time. And he hand lays and hand makes these front lips. So what's cool is that this design front lip has a little bit of heritage. I don't really know where from, so if you do, let me know in the comments, but I'm excited to get on the car and it should be a pretty easy install. So let's jump into it. I'm gonna do something that I've been wanting to do for a long time, is I'm gonna remove these buck teeth that came on this reproduction bumper. One of my friends on Instagram, Jay Lou, he will be very happy about this. So if you're watching Jay Lou, we're taking them off. So let's do that real quick, and then after that, we're gonna remove the bumper and put the new one on. Now that we've chopped those off and it already looks so much better, now we're just gonna remove this bumper, and there's just 2 bolts here that are 17mm and 2 bolts here, and that's it. Now that the front of the car has the metal bumper removed, there's only a couple more things you need to remove, and typically you're gonna have 2 bolts right here and then a number of bolts along the outside here. My car is missing a few things, so there won't be too much to take off, but there is a little bit to do. In addition to the bolts that are along the side, there's also a bolt right here, one in the middle and one over there, and then after that it should all just come off. A 1, a 2, and a 3. There you go. She is looking real goofy without a bumper, but pretty cool shot. You can see all the Techno Toy tuning suspension we got in there. But yeah, we're not making a drift car, so we're gonna have to fix this. So I'm just mocking this up right now, and you can see fitment is definitely questionable. This doesn't line up here, and then also in here in the bumper, it doesn't match up perfectly. But you know, this is the risk that I took for something a little bit unique. So other than that, though, what you want to do is you want to find a way to connect it here and here. You can sometimes use a clamp to hold these together, and then you drill a hole, put a bolt, and it's just as simple as that. And then after that, you drill a couple holes here and here, and then put another bolt, and that is just the simplest way to install it, but I'm going to be doing more in the future to make it more secure. So I've never installed a body kit myself on any of my cars, so this is all really new to me, but so far I've been pretty discouraged with the fitment just because it seems really tough. But what I've found out is you just need to manhandle this thing, and then it fits. So I'm gonna put some elbow grease into this. I'm gonna hold it up tight, use a Sharpie to make a hole, and then I'm gonna use some long hardware to kind of sandwich this thing into place. So once that's done, hopefully it looks good. After securing the first side, I think I want to stand by my statement that fitment is pretty terrible. I just want to show you the length of hardware I had to use to get this thing on. So I had to use 2 of these, which is just huge. And then I needed to use 2 of these. So that's how much that the hardware had to pull this into place. And it's definitely not going anywhere, which is good, but yeah, fitment is not the best, that's for sure. All right, let's stand back, see how it is. Oh man, I am completely undecided whether I'm down for this or not. I'm gonna wipe it down, clean it up a little bit, turn it on, take it outside, and we'll take a look out into the real world. You guys let me know what you think in the comments. Alright guys, and this is where we're going to end the video with this beautiful sunset. And like I said earlier, this is the first time I've ever put a body kit on a car before. And this is the first time that we've installed any exterior modifications to this car in over 6 years. So I'm really used to the way that it used to look, and I'm not sure if I like the front valence yet. It's such a change for me, and honestly, I feel like I don't even know. I can't even tell. So let me know what you guys think in the comments, and I hope you enjoyed the video and you're enjoying the build blog series so far. So if you like this video, go ahead and give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Hey, check it out. I've turned the car into an instrument.